Boy. Okay, thanks anyway. What's with you? Yes,
A man gave me...
Yes, a man gave you...
Man gave me... a massage.
So?
So he had his hands and, he was,
He was what?
he was, touching and rubbing.
That's a massage.
And then I took my pants off.
You took your pants off.
For my hamster. Oh. He got about, 2 inches from there.
Really?
I think it moved.
Move?
It may have moved, I don't know.